Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by plugging the Apple TV into power and an HDMI port on your TV. This creates the video path. Once done, power on both devices and choose the matching HDMI input on the TV. Make sure your network is ready. Use Ethernet for reliability or have Wi-Fi name and password handy. This speeds setup. If you have an iPhone, unlock it and keep it nearby, because you can use it to transfer settings and sign in with your Apple ID automatically. You now pair the Siri remote. Press the suggested buttons until the remote shows connected. This links input and navigation. Next, select your Wi-Fi network or confirm Ethernet. Signing in with your Apple ID syncs purchases, subscriptions, and iCloud data, which reduces re-entry. Once signed in, install any system updates to ensure app compatibility and security. Make sure to enable Siri and location services if you want voice search and personalize. You finish by installing and organizing apps. Open the App Store, download streaming apps you use, and drag them into a logical order. This saves time later. Then fine-tune settings. Set video format and HDR options to match your TV, choose the correct audio output for home theater, and enable subtitles if needed for clarity. If something goes wrong, restart the Apple TV and router first. Repair the remote via Bluetooth, and only perform a factory reset if issues persist, because resetting erases saved data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.